Before replacing a garbage disposal, switch off power to the unit at the main circuit breaker. Disconnect the discharge tube that connects your garbage disposal to the ground plumbing. Then twist the mounting ring at the top of the disposal clockwise to disconnect it from your drain. Unscrew the faceplate on the bottom of the unit to open the electrical housing. Then slip the copper wire over the green screw. Pinch the plastic wire connectors to disconnect the wires from the power supply. Pull off the old mounting ring and loosen the nut holding the old mounting assembly in place. Then, pull out the old mounting assembly. Remove the old sink flange from your drain and clean up any adhesive residue. Apply a fresh ring of plumber's putty and push the new flange into place. Hold it down with a heavy object for about 20 minutes while the putty dries. Screw the new mounting assembly into place beneath the sink. Insert the top of the new garbage disposal into the assembly and twist it to start threading it into the grooves of the mounting ring. Insert a screwdriver into one of the lugs on the mounting ring and use it to twist the ring clockwise until it locks into place. Open the electrical housing and match the colored wires from the power supply to the ones in the garbage disposal. Connect them with the plastic wire connectors. Slip the copper grounding wire over the green screw, then put the cover back on the housing. Push the discharge tube into place and tighten any nuts, clamps, or other fasteners to keep it in place. Run the faucet for 15 to 20 seconds to make sure your new disposal unit doesn't leak. Then switch the power back on and test the disposal to make sure it works.